Cash App started as a peer-to-peer payment app, while Chime was built as a full digital bank replacement with checking, savings, and banking features in one system. That difference is what actually separates how you use them day to day. By the end, you'll know how each one handles banking features, what they're actually good at, and which one makes more sense depending on whether you want payments, banking, or both in one place. Cash App is centered around sending and receiving money quickly. It works like a digital wallet where you can transfer money, receive payments, and spend using a Cash App card. The focus is speed and convenience for moving money between people. Chime is built as a full mobile banking replacement. It gives you a checking account, savings account, and debit card designed for everyday banking. The goal is to replace a traditional bank with a simpler, mobile-first system. Now break down direct deposits. Cash App supports direct deposit, allowing users to receive paychecks into their account and access funds digitally through the app. Chime also supports direct deposit and is designed around paycheck deposits as a core feature of how users manage their money. Now talk about spending and card use. Cash App provides a debit card linked to your balance so you can spend money directly from your app account. Chime also provides a debit card, but it is tied to a full checking account setup that works more like a traditional bank account replacement. Now talk about savings and structure. Cash App includes optional savings features, but its main focus stays on payments and money transfers. Chime includes a dedicated savings account and automatic savings features that are built into the banking structure of the app. Now, the key difference. Cash App is built for sending, receiving, and spending money quickly. Chime is built for full everyday banking with checking and savings accounts. So the decision depends on how you use money. If you mainly want to send money, receive payments, or use a simple debit system, Cash App is more direct. If you want a full banking replacement with structured accounts, Chime is more complete. Here's the simple breakdown. Cash App focuses on payments and quick money movement. Chime focuses on full digital banking with checking and savings built in. Both give you mobile access to your money, but they solve different problems. Do this next. Think about whether you use an app mainly for sending money or for managing your full paycheck and bills. Then compare which system matches your actual financial habits. If you want simple payments and transfers, Cash App fits better. If you want a full banking replacement, Chime is the stronger choice.